at it again. That's right. Today we added a new vehicle to the fleet. So it wasn't for me, it's for us. Yep, that's right, me and my girl. So we just purchased a vehicle. This is gonna be the next addition to the lineup. With that being said, here it is. So yeah, that's right, we picked up Explorer ST. In case you guys didn't know, these are, they come with 3.0 twin turbo. So this is the mom car. And how you like it? ¿Te gusta?
Yeah.
So yeah, so this thing comes with a 3.0 twin turbo. There it is, got it black on black with the black interior. Show you a little bit on the inside. So that's what it looks like. It's got the big screen. Got the panoramic roof. It's got fully decked out. Pretty nice for what it is. And so we ended up picking up this vehicle out of town. Just picked it up, drove it back. Comes with 20-inch wheels. It's all blacked out, inside out. So got a little things that we're gonna upgrade. We're gonna take care of. It's not a perfect used vehicle, but you know, it's fun. So yeah, real spacious. It's really nice. So we needed something like this. We got nothing but cars in the fleet, so it's got the ST badge in. Sick. So rev it a little bit. Hey, acelérale poquito. You can't really accelerate it. But yeah, that's it, man. Hope you guys stay put. There's gonna be a whole bunch of upgrades that are gonna be done to this thing. And let's see what kind of footage we get into, what kind of runs we get into, see what it does. And it is all-wheel drive, so that's just a big game changer. All-wheel drive, 400 horsepower. That's what it comes out factory with the 10-speed transmission. So that's another game changer. But yeah, that's it right there, guys. Now make sure y'all stay put for all the mods that are gonna be done to it, all the upgrades, little stuff here and there. I'll be making videos on it. In the meantime, we're gonna enjoy it and post a whole bunch of clips of it running. So make sure y'all subscribe, like, and share. And to follow me on this journey on upgrading the Explorer ST. That's right. There it goes. The interior right there. A bit blurry, but turn the lights. There it goes. Here. We're gonna do a nice little pool.
What are you gonna do? Pool? Let's go, everybody, let's go. My mom car. Así dicen y que, ¿por qué te compraste un mom car, bro? This is not a mom car.
Oh, perfect. We're gonna do a thing here.
Oh my god.
So we're about to launch it. I got traction control off. I'm on sport mode, so we'll probably launch it like at 1500 RPM.
Yeah. Oh fuck. Oh my god.
That's not behind the scenes, that's what she actually said. Let's launch it in all-wheel drive. Yeah, thing's fine. That's stock, so once we do some
Intake!
minor upgrades, then we're gonna go. Whoa, there's a motorcycle behind me.
I need the intake and a tune. Intake. Fuck. Oh my god.
We're starving. We're starving.
¿Cómo haces para que arranque de golpe? Como me hiciste en estos días que me dio cosquillita.
Ah, okay. Downshift.
1, 2, 3.
Este aquí,
No, creo que es de más baja. Y la gasolina bajó
Halfway.
$20.
Oh man, that is a downside to it. Is the fuel on here to fill up the tank is like $90. It's got a 20-gallon tank, so that's the only downside. But she's paying for it.
Exactly.
1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3. Anyways, man, you guys stay tuned and catch you on the next one.